Hello everyone, my name is Gokul. Welcome to BTech Wala YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain about color model in digital image processing. Basically, color model is an orderly system for creating whole range of colors for small set of primary colors. There are two types of color models. One is subtractive and another one is additive. The additive color models use light to display color, while subtractive models use printing inks. Color preserved in additive models result transmitted light, and color preserved in subtractive model result a reflected light. Here we can see this is the subtractive color and this is the additive color. There are several established color models used in computer graphics, but two most common are used. One is RGB, which is very famous for computer display, and another one is CMYK model for printing. The next color model is CMYK color model. CMYK color model is a subtractive color model. It is a standard color model used for offset printing of full color document. Because such printing uses inks of these four basic colors, it is often called as four color printing, where two RGB color overlaps. Here we can see the RGB colors are overlapping. We see a new color formed by mixing of two additive primaries. These new colors are, one is greenish blue, which is called as cyan, and another one is blushed red called magenta, and another one is the brighter as yellow. This is the yellow color, and the key color is black. In detail of CMYK color model, we can express this effect as a pseudo algebraically writing RGB. R means red, G means green, B means blue, and like that we can also express CMY as a cyan, magenta and yellow. The plus sign indicates the mean additive mixing and the minus sign indicates the mean subtraction of light. We have cyan, magenta and yellow. Cyan is formed by adding of green color and blue color, and it is also complement of red. We are subtracting red from white light. Same as magenta, which is formed by adding red and blue, and yellow is formed by adding red and green. In each equation, the color on left is called complementary colors of the one of the extreme right. For example, magenta is a complementary color of green. Comparison between RGB model and CMYK model. Combining actual inks of all these three colors does not produce very good black. Applying three different inks is not very good for your paper and leads a longer drying times. For this reason, in magazine and book printing, the three subtractive primaries are augmented with black. In this image, we can see RGB color model image and CMYK color model image. In RGB color model image, the green light is somewhat brighter, and CMYK color model image, the green light is depth, and here we can see the blue color is very natural while compared to the CMYK. And also RGB color model is better than CMYK. That is the reason that we see in the printed document and in our monitor. The next color model is HSV color model. HSV stands for hue saturation value. HSV is a color model that describes the colors in terms of shades and their brightness. In HSV color model is based on polar coordinates developed in 1970s for computer graphic applications. HSV used in color pickers in image editing softwares like MS Paint and Adobe, etc., and less commonly in image analysis and computer vision. Here in this image we can see that it is used for increasing the saturation of color value and decreasing saturation of color value. The next color model is YIQ color model. YIQ stands for luminous in-phase quadrate. A YIQ color model is a recoding of RGB color model. YIQ color model is used in television broadcasting. The Y channel contains the luminous information sufficient for black and white television sets, and I channel and Q channel contains color information. In phase is equal to removing red from yellow, quadrate is equal to removing yellow from blue. The next color model is HSV color model. H stands for hue, S stands for saturation, V stands for value. HSL and HSV are alternative representation of RGB color model. It was designed in 1970s by computer graphic researchers. Every color model represents a shape. This HSV model represents hexagon. Here in this image, this shape looks on above it look like hexagon here, and below there is a cone shape. So it is called hex cone. Here H stands for hue, S stands for saturation, V stands for value. H is an angular measured around these hexagon. S is equal to 0, the center of V axis. S is equal to 1, the outer boundary of hexagon. This is the outer boundary of hexagon. V is equal to 0, the bottom hexagon. V is equal to 1, here we can see the top of the hexagon. The next color model is HLS color model. HLS color model is simply an extension of HSV color model, where we extending this hexagon on upper side. We are inverting the hexagon and putting that another hexagon on top. It is called as double hexagon. We simply extending this color model. We can say that two hexagons are there. One hexagon is inverted on another hexagon. Any color in HLS color model is described as H is equal to hue, S is equal to saturation, L is equal to lightness. And here in this diagram, there is upper side is white and bottom is black and middle line is gray. The final conclusion of this video, here we can see some applications of color model. RGB model is used for color monitors and color video camera, and CMY model is used for color printing. HIS model is used for color image processing. YIQ model is used for color picture transmission, and these all models are hardware oriented models.